our 60-inch 6-burner with griddle oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and depth with the backsplash, we have a measurement of 32¼ inches. Overall height, we have 59¼ inches tall, and minus the splash, we have 39 inches. Coming to the left will be 6 removable burner plates, and each plate will measure 12 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. Measurements apply for each of the 6 burners to the left. Coming to the right will be the griddle. Measurements for the griddle will include 20 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, with a thickness of 1/2 inch. Coming to the bottom of the griddle will be a step, and the measurement for that step will include 23½ inches in length. Measurements for the runoff will include by 4 inches in length. On the side will be the area where the waste and disposal will drop, and beneath here can be collected with this removable waste tray. Coming to the top of the oven range will be an extra shelf for storage, and measurement for the shelf will include 60 inches in length with a depth of 9¾ inches. Coming to the bottom middle will be turn knobs for the griddle, along with turn knobs for each and every single individual burner. Coming to the bottom will be 2 separate ranges, and included for each will be 2 adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 24 inches in depth by 25½ in length, with a height of 14 inches tall. Measurements apply for the left and right range. Coming beneath the burners will be the removable oil pan. And the measurement for the oil pan will include 31½ inches in length by 25 inches in depth. Pan can be removed and inserted back into the slot right beneath the burners. Coming to the far right corner will be the black pipe for the gas connection. And this oven range rests on legs. This oven range combo can be used for propane or natural gas. Included will be the gas regulator, along with the conversion kit if using for propane. Last but not least, this oven range is ETL and NSF certified. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.